In our previous video, I specifically drew you guys attention to this bearish order block on the price of Toshi. I told you guys by the time Toshi price pump to this bearish order block, we are definitely going to get a rejection from there, which was what happened. Now, before we continue, if you're paying attention to Toshi on CoinMarketCap, the trading volume is gradually recovering. We are slightly down minus 29%. In this video, we're going to be talking about the BTC price update as well as the Toshi price update. We're going to be looking at the BTC dominance chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. And we are also going to talk about this orders chart. This chart is very important. This is the orders chart, which is orders cryptocurrency market cap excluding top 10 cryptocurrency in the crypto space. Now, before we proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscription button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. If you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Thank you. Now let's proceed. Now, if you're paying attention, when Toshi pumped into this bearish order block on the 4-hour time frame, we got a massive rejection. We came there, like slightly came there, we missed it, got a rejection, and then got a bounce from this breaker block area into the bearish order block again, got another rejection. Now, I think we are going to lose this breaker block this time around, because initially when we got there, we got a bounce from there. But this time around, I think the breaker block is not going to hold. Now, since it's not going to hold, then we should be looking to buy what's it called, Toshi coin around 0.0004687 zone. Now, as long as the moment you see the price of Toshi dipped into the 0.0047 zone or 0.00045 zone, just know that area is a buy zone. You can DCA into Toshi by the time the price gets there. Current market cap of Toshi is sitting at slightly over $200 million. This was a project that got to as high as close to $900 and something million in the last pump it had. I was privileged to have got into Toshi when the market cap was around $1.4 million. That was in 2023. Now, in a full-blown altcoin season, Toshi can easily tap into the $3 billion zone, $5 billion zone, $10 billion zone, depending on how aggressive the altcoin season is. And the orders chart we just talked about is what is going to give us a clear picture of how aggressive it's going to be. And also the BTC dominance chart is what is going to give us a clear picture. So the BTC dominance on the monthly time frame, I think it's better we stick on the monthly time frame in order to get like the wider picture of what's really happening. Now, the BTC dominance is currently at 65.50%. We are left with 26 days and 3 hours until this current monthly candle closes. Now, we need to see a massive retracement on this BTC dominance in order to officially welcome ourselves into altcoin season. As long as that is not happening yet, altcoins are going to continue to underperform, and BTC would be the only asset performing better in the entire crypto space. The current price of BTC is seated at $108,061. We are left with 2 hours and 42 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes on BTC. Now, when we lost this support, this very important critical support zone around $108,499 on the price of BTC, we broke down, tap into the zone of around $107,300 or $262, and then got another pump. The moment that pump is happening, I just knew the previous support that we lost is going to like act as a resistance, which was what happened. When we pumped back to that previous support zone, we turned it into a resistance. We got a massive rejection from there to the downside. Now, what you guys should be paying attention now is we reclaiming the previous support. As long as we are below the previous support, BTC is still bearish to me. But I don't care about BTC actually. I only care about altcoins. So we need to see the price of BTC pump, and we need to see the BTC dominance chart retrace aggressively in order to welcome ourselves into altcoin season. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance chart retrace aggressively and you see the BTC price pumping, then altcoins should be in an explosive phase by then. That is when you can begin to see 20% a day profit, 100%, 200% a day profit in some of the altcoins in the crypto space. Now, the last time the BTC dominance retraced minus 4%, which was this, I think, few months ago, the last time it retraced minus 4%, I can still remember some altcoins were pumping minus plus 50%, plus 100%, plus 200% in a single day. Now, imagine when we eventually start retracing minus 10%, minus 15, minus 20%. Minus 30%, minus 35%, minus 40% is going to be explosive for the entire meme coin and altcoin market, like seriously. Now, historically, the usual bottom for the BTC dominance is usually around 39.36% area, which I won't advise you to hold on to your altcoins until we get to that price zone. If you want to be on the safer side, I would advise you to take at least 80%, sell 80% of your altcoin holding when the BTC dominance get to around 47.0%. Because we are definitely going to get a bounce from there in this previous breaker block on the monthly time frame for the BTC dominance. Now, history failed to repeat itself this time around. If not, historically, the month of May is usually when the BTC dominant bottoms. It happened in May 2021. Same thing happened in May 2018 in the previous market cycle. But the reason why history didn't repeat itself this time around is as a result of the change in the crypto space, change on how things works. And it's all due to the massive institutional adoption, global adoption, government involvement, smart money manipulation, and all that. But it can only delay the altcoin season, but altcoin season is inevitable. Now, let's pay attention to the orders chart. This is the orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. That is to say, this chart you are currently seeing, we are currently on the weekly time frame, is the entire cryptocurrencies market cap, excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. The last time this pattern formed, when we broke out and flipped it into a support, we got a massive rally of over 5 weeks to the upside. Do you know what it means for the altcoin market to be in a massive rally of over 5 weeks to the upside? And that wasn't even the altcoin season. Now imagine this breakout and retest that just happened aligning with the altcoin season. That is to say, the pump this time around is going to be diabolical, is going to be out of this world. Like the previous pump we had, this 5 weeks pump, several last year, is going to be a child's play compared to what we should expect next. Now, this was the previous high of the last market cycle, the $491 billion. By the way, this pump we had previously in the last year, we added over $260 billion to the altcoin market. Now, the previous all-time high for the orders chart was $491 billion, which happened in 2021. A lot of you, like if you were in the crypto space by then, you should know what's up, November 2021. Now, this time around, I think we are going to take out that previous high due to the maturity cryptocurrency market is now, institutional adoption and all that. The moment we are pumping this time around, which is definitely going to align with the altcoin season, making it more scary bullish. The moment we are pumping this time around, taking out this previous resistance, flipping it into a support, expect for the orders chart to tap into the $600 billion zone, $700 billion zone. I want to be as realistic as possible. We might even tap into the $1 trillion zone. Anything can happen. This is crypto. So that's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Scared money makes no money. Invest wisely, and then like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if you're yet to. Turn on the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, to your Reddit, to your Twitter page, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your just name it. As always, thanks for watching. Peace out.